Ohayou gozaimasu, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know why but I thought we were going drifting Monday. I like came down, I was about to start my Japanese lesson, and Russell was like, what are you doing? It's like, we're going drifting. I was like, oh, So yeah, we're going drifting today. And it was a complete surprise to me. I'm stoked. We're going out to Sunrise Circuit again. Russell got his car fixed up, so he's bringing that thing out. Wataru's coming out with his practice car. We're gonna get some shreds in today. So I am excited. I'm definitely feeling far less jet lagged and tired than the last time I was there. So I'm ready to get some rips in. Ooh, feels good to be back. Check Russell's car, it's looking freaking good. So I got a whole new paint job, fixed some of the body kit. Oh, I got the grill in. Hell yeah. Ready to freaking rip. So they were planning on going testing today, and last night they like just tried to move the car and transmission's making all this noise. And they're like, what the f? So they drained the fluid out and there's shards in it, sparkles, like everything. So they were like, what do we do? Do we rebuild the transmission? Do we try to put a different one in? They ended up buying a G-Force. They threw that in last night and they're ready to rip. So you gotta respect the dedication, because for him, Pro 2 is tomorrow, and so they need to get out to Suzuka. Last time we were out, they were having troubles with like the front end feel and all that stuff, so you gotta respect the dedication to get to Suzuka. It's definitely dope. You know, they're trying to put their best foot forward, so I'm hoping the car feels better for him today and drives well. It'll be sick. I'm gonna be driving ye ol' S13 again. Check this baby out. And what do we have here? Who's this guy? Look who came out. Is this your missile car?
Yeah.
Nice.
And this is
SR?
it's a TD06.
Whoa, look at this thing! What are you doing?
Not too much.
Not just a SR.
Not too much.
Not too much. What about angle kit?
This this side Nautinako.
Oh, Naoki
Yeah,
Nako?
Nautinako. This one something Nako. I don't know this one.
Wait, it's a different side.
Yeah, this is.
That's a missile car for you.
Yeah, that's missile. Missile style. No, please. I want to tandem.
Oh, let's do it. Heck yeah. I'm ready.
I think no grip tire too.
Man, it is a freaking nice ass day out. You know what else is nice? Shopping at HaugenRacing.com. It is so simple and easy. It's like one-click shop, you get whatever you want. We got t-shirts, Sudikawa rings, stickers, all sorts of good stuff. Go shopping. All right, let's get some drifting in. Oh yeah! The more I'm getting used to this car, the more I like it. It's pretty fun. I want to grip it up, but Russell was kind of telling me not to because he doesn't want stuff to break. And it's not my car. I'm trying to do my best to like not break on it and just kind of take it as easy as I can get myself to do. I blew up the tire. Look. No more tire. I'm hoping Wataru and his friend are helping Russell out. I'm hoping Wataru gets out and drive. We got some grippy boy tires. Whose man's is this? He's like, we'll get some tandems, and he's got like, I got 400 horsepower and grippy boy tires. That's all right. It's all right. Check this other car out though. So it's a freaking Skyline. Just needs some more power, he said, but sure looks good, that's for sure. Yeah, I know, excuses, but I can't get third gear to spin very well at all. I tried like entering in third gear following them because they're on third, but it just like will not spin. I put a little bit more grip in the tires, but if I air it back up, then it's just like so slow. So it's a fine balance. That car's way faster than the Missile. Wataru got right on my door. I was like second gear, just cruising, going so slow. It's a good time. It's just good to have a car on my door and attempt to get on some doors. But Wataru's gonna put some new tires on and gambare. I'm giving her everything she's got. I feel like I'm making excuses. As I say it, I know some of the haters are gonna be like, oh, you suck, and like flame me and but I can't get it to spin in third gear. I'm giving her all I got. I don't know what to tell you guys. It's fun. It's fun no matter what. I need a little more power, a little more grip, a lot more grip. All right, so Wataru and I were just talking, and here's the plan. I'm gonna get a 200 shot of nitrous. We're gonna get the same tires. He's gonna get a 50 shot of nitrous because he said I want nitrous too. And then we'll go back out.
Yeah. Nitrous is best.
Nitrous is best. You only get a 50.
50?
Yeah. Goju.
100.
No, Goju.
No, 100.
200 Goju.
No.
Well, thank you for driving with me,
Yeah,
guys.
thanks.
Arigatou
Thank you too.
gozaimasu.
ありがとうございます。はい。
Watashi wa...
水色。青。青。
Well, so bad. I gotta practice though. Watashi wa kami wo aka kaimasu.
赤変えるチェンジ
Hi.
You
Hi.
red?
Hi.
じゃ
To match.
あじゃあ俺ブルー
No, aka. I
Aka.
wanna match.
あ2
Hi.
いいねいいね
My Japanese is so bad. So something kind of funny, but it's like the most convenient thing ever, is there are vending machines everywhere in Japan. So we're at the track. You want something? Sure. Grab ourselves some Fanta, some Dr. Pepper. Pocari Sweat?
No Pocari Sweat.
Pocari Sweat ga suki. Sugoi. Yeah, it's pretty rad, because like I knew that this one was here now, so I wasn't like worried about bringing like some kind of drink along, so it's pretty cool. You just grab yourself something. All right, we made it back to the shop. I am exhausted. I need to go grab some food. I hope all of you enjoyed this video. Let me know what I can do better in these drift day videos. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it is, at least right now, because I'm still like trying to figure everything out, I feel like it's stressful as trying to like film and drift. It's kind of why I've gotten lazy with just like throwing all the GoPros on. Let me know how I can do it better, if there's better angles or things you guys would like me to do. Anyways, I love all of you. Thank you so much for the support. I definitely am feeling it out here. I love all of you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.